Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the problem 2 to the power of 16 minus 16. So to solve this, I'm going to first start by writing this as 2 to the power of 8 times 2 minus 16. And if I have something in the form a to the power of m times n, this is equal to a to the power of m to the power of n. So this turns into 2 to the power of 8 to the power of 2 minus 16, which is 4 squared. And now if I have something in the form a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So this turns into 2 to the power of 8 plus 4 times 2 to the power of 8 minus 4. Now 2 to the power of 8 is the same thing as 256, so I get 256 plus 4 times 256 minus 4, which is equal to 260 times 252. Now 260 I can rewrite as 200 plus 60. 252 I can rewrite as 200 plus 52. So now if I distribute here, I get 200 squared plus 60 times 200 plus 52 times 60 plus 200 times 52. And this is equal to 40,000 plus 12,000 plus 3,120 plus 10,400. And now let me actually add these all up. 40,000 plus 12,000 plus 10,400 plus 3,120. So now I'm going to add up all the zeros. And now 0 plus 0 plus 0 is plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 0 plus 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. And 4 plus 1 plus 1 is 6. So I get 65,520 as my solution for this expression. Now, if you haven't already, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends or family. Also, make sure to check out more videos on my channel. I have a lot more videos like this one, which you guys can try to solve as a challenge. Thank you. Bye. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the expression 9 divided by 3 divided by 9 divided by 3. So to solve this, I'm going to be using PEMDAS, which, as a refresher, the P here, this stands for parentheses, the E stands for exponents, the M stands for multiplication, the D stands for division, the A stands for addition, and the S stands for subtraction. And this is the order I solve any expression. So, to solve this, well, we only have division here. We don't have parentheses, we don't have exponents, we don't have multiplication, we don't have addition, and we don't have subtraction. So to solve this, I just go from left to right. So I first do 9 divided by 3, which is 3. So I have 3 divided by 9 divided by 3. Now I get 3 divided by 9 divided by 3. And to solve this, because 3 divided by 9 isn't a whole number, I'm going to rewrite this as 3 divided by 9 divided by 3, which is the same thing as 3 over 1. And now this is the same thing as 3 over 9 is the same thing as 1 over 3. So I get 1 over 3 divided by 3 over 1. And now, whenever I'm dividing fractions, it's the same thing as multiplying it with the reciprocal. So 1 over 3 divided by 3 over 1 is the same thing as 1 over 3 times 1 over 3, which is equal to 1 over 9. Meaning, my answer to this problem is 1 over 9. So if you haven't already, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends or family. Thank you. Bye. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys an expression that many people actually get wrong, and it's actually really simple. So the expression is 2 divided by 2 times 1 plus 1. So to solve this, I'm going to start off by solving 1 plus 1 here. So, going back, I'm going to be using PEMDAS for this. And PEMDAS is the order of operations that I go in to solve an expression like this with multiple operators. So the P here stands for parentheses, the E stands for exponents, the M stands for multiplication, the D stands for division, the A stands for addition, and the S stands for subtraction. And multiplication and division are grouped, and addition and subtraction are grouped, meaning whichever one comes first in the group is the one I do first. And for those of you who want to try this without an explanation, I have 3 answer choices here. I have A, which is 1/2, B, which is 2, and C, which is 4. So you can go ahead and pause the video and try to solve this. But now for the explanation, I first start with parentheses. And as you can see, I have parentheses over here. So I do 2 divided by 2 times 1 plus 1, which is 2. Now that I have no more parentheses, this is multiplication right here, I go to the next one, which is exponents, and there's no exponents over here. So now I move on to multiplication and division. As you can see, I actually have both multiplication and division here, but whichever one comes first, going from left to right, is the one that I do. So in this case, I have division here, and that's what I'm going to do first. So now I have 1 times 2, which is just equal to 2. So my solution is B2. Alright, so for this video, I'm going to be solving the equation 8 to the power of x plus 9 is equal to 9 to the power of x plus 8. So, I'm going to be solving for x in this equation, as that is the only variable. And now for my solution. I'm going to start by rewriting my equation down here so I have more solving space. So my equation is 8 to the power of x plus 9 is equal to 9 to the power of x plus 8. Now from here, I'm going to be using the property of exponents that states that if I have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So in this case, I have 8 to the power of x plus 9, and I can rewrite this as 8 to the power of x times 8 to the power of 9. And this is equal to 9 to the power of x plus 8, which I can also rewrite as 9 to the power of x times 9 to the power of 8. Now from here, I'm going to divide both sides by 9 to the power of x. So then for my right hand side, these two cancel out, and I get 8 to the power of x times 8 to the power of 9 over 9 to the power of x is equal to 9 to the power of 8. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 8 to the power of 9. So then these two cancel out, and I get 8 to the power of x over 9 to the power of x is equal to 9 to the power of 8 over 8 to the power of 9. Now, from here, I'm going to take the log on both sides. So I get log of 8 to the power of x over 9 to the power of x is equal to log of 9 to the power of 8 over 8 to the power of 9. Now, if I have something in the form log a over b, this is equal to log a minus log b. So log 8 to the power of x over 9 to the power of x is going to equal log of 8 to the power of x minus log of 9 to the power of x. And I can use the same property of log 9 to the power of 8 over 8 to the power of 9 to make it equal to log 9 to the power of 8 minus log 8 to the power of 9. Now, another property of logarithms is that if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, I can move this exponent b to the front. So this is the same thing as b times log a. In this case, I can use this property for all my terms over here. So to start, log 8 to the power of x, I can move this to the front, and I get x times log 8. Now I have this minus log 9 to the power of x, I can move x to the front, so I get x times log 9. And this is equal to log 9 to the power of 8. I can move 8 to the front, so I get 8 times log 9 minus log 8 to the power of 9. I can move 9 to the front, so I get 9 times log 8. Now, because both of these terms have x in them, I can simply factor out x. So I get x times log 8 minus log 9 is equal to 8 times log 9 minus 9 times log 8. Now, we obviously want to find the value of x, and the only way to do that is to get rid of this log 8 minus log 9 by dividing both sides by log 8 minus log 9. So then these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to 8 times log 9 minus 9 times log 8 over log 8 minus log 9. Now, log of 9, we can simplify this to log of 3 squared. And remember, if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, I can move b to the front. So I can move 2 to the front, and this is going to equal 2 times log 3. Now I can do the same thing for log 8. Log 8 is equal to log of 2 to the power of 3, and I can move 3 to the front, so I get this equal to 3 times log 2. So now from here, I get x is equal to 8 times 2 log 3 minus 9 times 3 log 2, and I have this all over 3 log 2 minus 2 log 3. Now 8 times 2 is 16, so I get x equals 16 times log 3 minus 27 times log 2 over 3 log 2 minus 2 log 3. And all of this is equal to 9.6548.